I go, hey yeah, I go, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Hainan City bound. Little Hainan has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Hainan City bound.
Okay, this is Hainan University right out front the gate here. And there's a little thing there. And there's all these kind of cool looking apartments. They're very circular. We're gonna just walk down and film. Hainan University in Haikou of Hainan Island of China. This little island. So you can see that in the map, of course. You can see kind of exactly where we are. We're at Hainan University. And I'm just kind of letting you know that I have another 15 videos of Haikou, so you can really get to know the city really well if you like subscribe and catch some of the other ones. This particular one is kind of a small one. I just kind of had the camera and I couldn't get into the university, but I did get to where some restaurants and commercial stuff that was right outside of it. Kind of interesting in itself. The music, we put the lyrics up now. That's what you heard at the beginning. I used AI and fed the lyrics into that, and then that came some beautiful song out of it. Created a beautiful song out of it. So anyways, let's get into the walk and talk where I'm gonna go along Hainan University and kind of show you some of the businesses right outside one of the front gates. So yeah, this is kind of the Hainan University. Looks like it's kind of quiet today. It's actually a Sunday. I don't really see anybody walking around at all. But we are on the other side of these kind of interesting apartments. And we're just gonna walk down a little bit and just kind of see. Yeah, there's the campus right there. So the front gate kind of came out of view a little bit. So instead I'm gonna focus on this street because it's kind of cool. Like check out these houses, these apartments. Like this is kind of near the university. So this is like the main road outside the university. And there's some nice restaurants and some nice apartments too. So you got some big windows. And then that's the main road right there. So this is the kind of the main road outside the front gate of the university. Let's see what this is. And then in China, a lot of times they have these little apartment complexes with a gate. There's some kind of interesting windows there. Got a little bit of Hainan tropical PS4. It's like a little bit of a bar blessing, it's called. It's like a college bar. So looks like there's some interesting stuff around here. So we're just kind of walking randomly, so I don't really have a strong idea. What's this? Wow, actually it looks kind of tasty because we have like tortilla bread, and it looks like tortilla bread. Huh. This looks like a place for college students to drink beer and get some snack food. So this is outside the front gate. A little taste of another one. Let me see. Oh, there's a soccer player right there. It says 2022 FIFA. Then you got some apartments on the other side here as well. So yeah, the apartments are gated, pretty common throughout China, so gives you some security. And then it looks like we could actually walk down one of these ways. Let me just kind of walk that way a little bit. I got a green light, so we're gonna try to take it. But I can see this main road right here, and then we have some waterway that goes right through here. We're in it's called Hainan Island or something like that in Haikou. So this separates this, it's like part of Haikou City, but there's a university here. Then I think my understanding is if we walk directly that way, we'll go north towards the beach, and the university is right over there. So anyways, a little bit of a taste of Haikou.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City.